So hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna draw another new sketch, a simple boy sketch with pencil. So first of all we have to make a grid line of 6 by 6 and then constantly draw the outlines as like this. After we finish to draw outlines, then we should erase the grid lines and begin to add more details from the sketch. So let's begin without any further delay.
You're the better ones, you can't go. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling My heart rages around like an ocean in